The Lamborghini Huracan is a remarkable supercar that encapsulates the essence of the Italian automaker's vision, power, style, and performance. Introduced in 2014, the Huracan serves as a successor to the iconic Lamborghini Gallardo and has since become a flagship model in Lamborghini's lineup. In this detailed overview, we will explore the various facets of the Lamborghini Huracan, from its design and performance to its technology and driving experience. The Lamborghini Huracan, whose name is derived from the Spanish word for hurricane, storms into the supercar arena with a ferocious blend of power and precision. It's a car that embodies Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of performance and design. As the successor to the Gallardo, a beloved and successful model in its own right, the Huracan had big shoes to fill, and it has done so with impressive flair. The Lamborghini Huracan boasts an exterior design that is nothing short of a work of art. Lamborghini has a knack for crafting cars that look like they belong on a racetrack even when parked in a garage. Key design elements of the Huracan include: the Huracan features the iconic Lamborghini design language, characterized by sharp, angular lines and a low-slung stance. The exterior is not just for show, it's aerodynamically optimized to enhance performance and stability. Lamborghini's signature scissor doors are a nod to its past, and they add a dramatic flair when opening, making entry and exit a spectacle. The Huracan is equipped with distinctive Y-shaped LED headlights and taillights that are both functional and stylish. The front grille is wide and aggressive, allowing for better airflow to the engine and enhancing the car's menacing appearance. Large air intakes on the sides of the car contribute to engine cooling and downforce. Depending on the trim and configuration, the Huracan offers a range of alloy wheel options, often large and attention-grabbing. Lamborghini provides a wide range of vibrant and bold colors for customers to choose from, allowing for a degree of personalization. The design of the Lamborghini Huracan is a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing the envelope in terms of visual appeal and aerodynamics. It's a car that stands out in any setting. The interior of the Lamborghini Huracan is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. It's a place where driver and passengers can experience both comfort and the thrill of high-speed driving. Key features of the interior include: the cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including fine leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, creating a luxurious and high-performance atmosphere. The sports seats offer excellent support and comfort, keeping occupants in place during spirited driving. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, with a multifunctional steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and center console controls oriented towards the driver. The Huracan is equipped with a modern infotainment system, offering navigation, smartphone integration, and various audio options. Lamborghini offers a range of customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the interior to their preferences. Despite being a supercar, the Huracan offers a front trunk that provides enough space for small luggage or weekend getaway essentials. Lamborghini has made efforts to enhance overall comfort, with features such as automatic climate control and power-adjustable seats. While the focus of the Huracan is undoubtedly on performance, it's also a car that provides a level of comfort and luxury suitable for both daily use and spirited weekend drives. The Lamborghini Huracan is all about breathtaking performance, and it's powered by an engine that lives up to the Lamborghini legacy. Here are the key performance features. At the heart of the Huracan is a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine that delivers exhilarating power. The engine produces varying levels of horsepower, depending on the specific variant, ranging from around 570 to over 640 horsepower. The Huracan can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. Many versions of the Huracan feature an advanced all-wheel drive system that ensures exceptional traction and stability, particularly when accelerating out of corners. The Huracan is typically equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing lightning-fast gear changes and precise control. The car offers various driving modes, allowing the driver to adjust settings for the engine, transmission, and suspension to suit different driving conditions and preferences. The Huracan has an impressive top speed that can exceed 200 miles per hour, depending on the specific variant. High-performance carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping power and endurance for track use. The performance of the Lamborghini Huracan is awe-inspiring, with the car designed to provide an adrenaline rush whether on the racetrack or the open road. The driving dynamics of the Huracan are finely tuned to deliver a thrilling and engaging driving experience. Key elements of its driving dynamics include: the Huracan's steering is precise and responsive, offering excellent feedback to the driver. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and wide tires, the Huracan provides exceptional grip, even in high-speed cornering. The car's handling is sharp and nimble, making it suitable for spirited driving on both the road and the track. The Huracan features a launch control system, allowing for maximum acceleration from a standstill. Depending on the trim and configuration, the Huracan offers adaptive suspension options, allowing the driver to adjust the ride for a balance between comfort and performance. The Huracan's lightweight chassis contributes to its nimbleness and agility while maintaining structural rigidity. The Huracan is engineered to deliver an engaging and dynamic driving experience, ensuring that it lives up to the Lamborghini tradition of creating cars that thrill and excite. While the Lamborghini Huracan is primarily focused on performance, it doesn't skimp on technology and infotainment features. The car is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display essential performance data. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen display with features such as navigation, smartphone integration, and audio controls. Depending on the trim, the Huracan offers a premium audio system for an exceptional sound experience while driving. Bluetooth and USB connectivity are standard, ensuring that occupants can stay connected and entertained. While the focus is on performance, the Huracan offers some driver assistance features for added safety, including parking sensors and a rear-view camera. The technology and infotainment features are designed to enhance the overall driving experience while ensuring that the driver remains in control of the car's performance. The Lamborghini Huracan comes in various trims and special editions, each with its unique characteristics. Some notable variants include: this is the standard variant of the Huracan, offering a great balance of performance and luxury. It features the V10 engine and a range of customization options. The Spider version is a convertible variant of the Evo, providing an open-air driving experience while retaining the same performance. The Performante variant is focused on enhanced performance, with additional power, improved aerodynamics, and reduced weight for better track performance. Like the Performante, the Spider version emphasizes high-performance driving with the option for open-top motoring. The rear-wheel drive variant offers a more purist driving experience with power sent exclusively to the rear wheels. It's a car that emphasizes driver engagement. Lamborghini also occasionally releases special editions and limited-run models, such as the Huracan STO Super Trofeo Omologata, designed for track-focused performance. The pricing of the Lamborghini Huracan varies depending on the specific trim, optional features, and customization choices. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, the base Huracan Evo typically started at around $200,000, while more high-performance and special editions could command significantly higher prices. The Huracan competes with other high-performance supercars and exotics in the market, including the Ferrari 488 GTB offers similar levels of performance and is a close competitor to the Huracan. McLaren's 720S is known for its exceptional performance and innovative design, providing stiff competition. Porsche's 911 Turbo S is another high-performance sports car, known for its versatile capabilities and refined design. The Audi R8 shares its platform with the Huracan and offers a more affordable alternative with Audi's performance and luxury. The Aston Martin Vantage is a luxury sports car that competes in the same performance segment. The Lamborghini Huracan is known for its distinctive design, aggressive performance, and the unmistakable Lamborghini experience. It holds its own in a segment that includes some of the most desirable and high-performance cars in the world. The Lamborghini Huracan is a celebration of power, precision, and style. It continues Lamborghini's legacy of producing high-performance supercars that not only excel on the racetrack but also provide a sense of occasion on the road. With its striking design, ferocious performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Huracan represents the pinnacle of Italian automotive excellence. Whether you're drawn to its awe-inspiring acceleration, the melodious symphony of its V10 engine, or the sheer presence it commands, the Lamborghini Huracan is a car that appeals to the heart and soul of automotive enthusiasts. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection and an iconic representation of the Lamborghini name.